Dear students, how are you? Maybe well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am well too. Okay. Today we will learn how to use subject-verb agreement or right from verbs. Okay. Today's topic is subject-verb agreement or right from verbs. Now look at this. When words like the following are used as subjects, they take singular verb. Everybody, everyone, everything, anybody, anyone, anything, somebody, someone, something, nobody, no one, nothing, is, either, neither. If those words are used as subjects, they take singular verb. Okay, now I have been given some examples here. If you try to follow my examples, you will be able to understand easily. Okay, look at this here. Number 1, number A, everybody dash know the answer. In the bracket has given the word know. Now we will try to use the words after everybody, singular verb. Try to understand. If everybody, somebody, nothing, nobody, etc. If those words are used as subjects, we will try to use singular verb after those words. Everybody dash the answer. In the bracket has given the word know. Now we will write the word know singular in singular verb. Knows. Knows. Okay. This singular verb because the subject is singular. If the subject is singular, verb is singular. Everybody knows the answer. Somebody dash in the classroom, in the room. Somebody dash in the room. In the bracket has given here B. We know B equal amateur or wager. So after somebody we will use as our necessary. Somebody is here singular verb. Somebody is in the room. And then C number, nothing dash be impossible. In the bracket be here also. So we will use after nothing a singular verb is. Nothing is impossible. And the last number, nobody dash speak German here. Here in the bracket the word is speak. We will try to use the singular verb after nobody. Speak. Speaks. Nobody is singular, so we will write singular verb. Nobody speaks German here. The answer will be, everybody knows the answer. Somebody is in the room. Nothing is impossible. Nobody speaks German here. Okay? Dear students, look at this. Now we will learn every and is. How to use every and is. When every and is come before a singular subject joined by and, the verb is singular. Look at this here. When every and is come before a singular subject, come before many singular, before a singular subject. Student, a singular subject. Joined by and, here also and. Joined by and. The verb after the verb is singular. Look at this. Every man and woman dash the right to vote. In the bracket has given here have. So we will use here a singular verb. Okay, have equal have has or had. In the bracket, have equal have has or had. We will use here as our necessary. Look at this. Every man and woman. The rules is when every and is come before a singular subject joined by and, here and, after a verb is singular. Okay, after a verb will be a singular verb. Now we will use every man and woman have. We will use here singular verb has. Okay, has. Every man and woman has the right to vote. Okay. Is student and is teacher, B, in the bracket B, we will use as our necessary B, as our as tense, be equal am is or was were. We will use is or was as tense. Okay. Is student and is teacher was hour of difficulty. Okay. The answer, every man and woman has the right to vote. Then is student and is teacher was hour of difficulty. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. I have written rules here. Prepositional phrases that come between the subject and the verb do not change the number of the subject. Here, look at this. Prepositional phrases here as well as here together with. Here, this word is a prepositional phrase. If prepositional phrases that comes between the subject and the verb do not change the number of the subject. Do not change the number of the subject. Here, the students, we do not change the number of the subject. Okay. The teacher as well as the students dash working on the problem. So we will use here singular verb is. Okay. The teacher as well as the students is working on the problem. Next one. The mother together with her children, the plural form. Look at this. Prepositional phrases that come between the subject. Here, between the subject. Together with, between the subject is a prepositional phrase. So, we will use here a singular verb. We do not change the number of the subject, children. Okay, it's a plural form. We will see the first subject, the mother, is a singular subject. And then we will use a prepositional phrase. So, we will use here a singular verb. The mother together with her children is waiting. Okay. Some examples of the prepositional phrases that function like that are as well as, in addition to, together with, along with, except. Okay. These words use like this. The teacher as well as the student is working on the problem. The mother together with her children is waiting. Such a way we will use those prepositional phrases. Okay, thank you.